post blogs, and for those blogs I generate images using AI. But again and again, writing the prompts and generating the image is a time consuming and a tedious task. So to solve this problem, I've created this amazing automation where whenever I am just going to enter the blog details in the spreadsheet, automatically the image will be generated and the image URL will be added right over here. So as you can see, I entered the details like the blog title, topic, image style, main subject, and the background theme. Now instantly using AI, this image is going to be generated. Not only generated but also added right over here in my Google Sheet. So I don't have to go anywhere else. On this spreadsheet only the images will be generated and added right over here, and you can see the image is generated. So let's just open and check the image. So yes, you can see that this is the image which is top 10 productivity tips, and as you can see it aligns with the details which I've mentioned right over here. And yes, this is no magic, this is the power of automation which we're going to create in today's video. Not only once but now whenever I'm just going to enter the details of the blog, instantly the images will be generated and it is going to save me a lot of time. So now let's see how to create this automation. To create this automation, you just have to open your dashboard of Pabbly Connect if you are an existing user like me. But if you are a new user, you have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on this sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. 100 of tasks free means that you can create this automation for free and try it for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can definitely move on further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code just for you. How is this discount coupon code going to work? So what you can do is you can just go on this buy plan and over here you have to click on this have a coupon. Now you just have to click on this and just type the coupon code, which is RITYT. Click on this apply, and using this discount coupon code you can get a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so first try Pabbly Connect. If you find it helpful for you and your business, then you can use this special discount coupon code. Alright, so now we're on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and now let's see how to create this automation. For that you have to click on this create workflow button and then create from scratch button right over here. And now you have to click on this create workflow button and then create from scratch. Now it is asking me for the workflow name and the folder, so simply enter the workflow name of your choice and then for the folder select the folder. So I've already built some folders, so I've selected the same. If you want to learn how to build the folder, go on this learn more and you can learn that. Now click on this create button and this workflow is created right over here. This is the most important window now because on this window only we're going to create this magic. Okay, so why is this important? Because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, you have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, select it as Google Sheets. For the event, you have to select it as new or updated spreadsheet row and click on this connect. You're going to find the webhook URL, so just copy the webhook URL and open your spreadsheet. Now let's just delete whatever is generated right over here so that we can start fresh. Now what we have to do is go on this extensions, then you have to go on this add-ons and then towards this get add-ons. You have to add an extension in this spreadsheet which is named Pabbly Connect Webhooks. So go on the search apps and search for Pabbly Connect Webhooks right over here, and you have to install this extension. I have already installed this extension, but you can install it directly from here. After you install this extension, you have to refresh your spreadsheet. It is a very important step. After that, you have to go on this extensions. You're going to see the option of this Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and then you have to go on this and then towards this initial setup. After you come on this initial setup, you have to enter the webhook URL and the trigger column. So simply paste the URL which you copied from the workflow in the webhook URL and enter the trigger column. So I've pasted this webhook URL and entered this trigger column. But what is this trigger column? So the trigger column will be your final data column on which if the data is added, the whole of that row will be sent towards your webhook URL. So I want that whenever I add the 5 details till E, then the details should be sent and the workflow should be triggered. So I've entered the trigger column as E. For me it is E, but for you it can be anything else too. It totally depends upon your own spreadsheet. After entering this, you have to click on this submit button and it is going to say setup configured successfully. This means that I've created the connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect. But now we have to go back towards our workflow and it is saying waiting for webhook response. So in order to capture this webhook response, you have to click on this send test button, and you're going to see it is saying test data sent successfully. So let's just open our workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture the response, which is the test data, which is the first row right over here of our spreadsheet. So let's just open our workflow, and Pabbly is going to capture the response for the same right over here. So till Pabbly is capturing this response, I'll just let you know one more very special step. You have to go on this extensions, Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and make sure to switch on this button which is send on event. Further, I'll let you know why. Okay, so now you're going to see that Pabbly has successfully captured this response, and now let's generate the image. So to generate the image, we're just going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm just going to search for Google Gemini right over here, which is Google AI Studio. So I'm just going to use Google AI Studio to generate the images. You can use any another application too. Now for the event, we have to select it as generate and edit image Nano Banana and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Google AI Studio and Pabbly Connect, then you can click on this select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, you have to follow me, click on add a new connection, and it is asking for the API key. So to get this API key, what you have to do, go on your Google AI Studio. Once you come on your Google AI Studio, from the left end of the side, you're going to get this option of get API key. So go on this get API key and click on this create API key button. Now it is saying name your key. So just name your key, choose the project, and click on this create key button. Your key will be created, so you just have to copy the key and then you have to paste the key right over here in your workflow, and then click on this save, and your Google AI Studio will be connected with Pabbly Connect. I've already entered this key, so I'm just going to click on the select existing connection and then save. Now you have to make sure that this account is a paid one. So what is going to happen is once you generate the key, you can go on this billing section and check the billing, okay, and you can set up the billing so that you can make prepayment to access the high rate limits, advanced features, and exclusive models, which is going to help you in image generation more accurately and more faster. Okay, so now for the model, you have to make sure that you search for Nano Banana and select it from Nano Banana, Nano Banana Pro, or Nano Banana 2 only. I'm just going to keep it as Nano Banana 2 over here. Now for the method, I'm just going to select it as generate content. Now for the prompt, I'm just going to copy the prompt from my previous workflow. So as you can see that this is the prompt which I am just going to copy. You can check out the whole prompt over here. So I'm just going to copy this prompt and paste it right over here in my workflow. After I paste this prompt, what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to make sure to correct the formatting in this prompt. Okay, till I'm just correcting the formatting in this prompt, I'll just let you know that if you also want this prompt, the workflow URL of this workflow is attached in the description box below, just where the discount coupon code is attached. So you can check it out there, and what you can do is you can simply copy and paste my prompt like I did. Okay, now after using this prompt, I'm just going to simply enter the details of the blog in this prompt. But we can copy paste the prompt or keep the prompt as static, but we can't keep the blog details static. We have to keep it as dynamic because it is going to change, right? And in order to keep it as dynamic, we're just going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step, and when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and changes with every new response received. So one by one, I'm just going to enter all the details right over here and move on further. It is saying uploaded file URL and image URL. So if you want, you can definitely enter this, but this is not required. If you want to generate the images, just click on the save and send test request, and once you click on the save and send test request, it is going to take some time to generate the image, and you're going to see yes, the image is generated. Over here is the file URL. So let's just copy this file URL and open it in a new tab. So before adding the image into our Google Sheets, let's just check it, and yes, it is generating the correct image. This means that our prompt is correct and we are good to go. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to close this and move on further. Now click on this add new action step. For the action application, you have to select it as Google Sheets. Now for the event, you have to select it as update cell value. So let's just search for update cell value and click on this connect. Now if you have already created a connection between Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect, then click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection and then sign in with Google. Now we have to select the Gmail account with the help of which we want to build the connection. Then Pabbly is going to ask us for some permissions. So click on this allow, give Pabbly all the permissions it is asking for because your data is 100% safe with us. Now Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now it is asking me to select the spreadsheet and the sheet. So over here we have to select the same spreadsheet and the sheet in which we want to add the blog images, and now it is asking me for the range. So over here we have to enter the range of the sheet that needs to be updated. So it is F2 over here. So right now it is F2, right? But with every new response it is going to change. It will be F3, F4, F5 and so on. But you can notice that this F will remain constant. Only the row is going to change. So what we're going to do is we're going to keep this column constant constant and map the row. So let's just put a slash map the row right over here and keep this f as constant. Now for the value, you have to put a slash and map the file URL which Gemini generated and click on this save and send test request. And after that, you're going to see that we have received the response that we have successfully added this image in our spreadsheet. So let's just open our spreadsheet and the image is added. Now whenever someone is going to enter the details in this trigger column, then what is going to happen is instantly the image is going to be generated because we switched on this button which is sent on event. And because you watched this video till the end, I'll just let you know that it is a very important step that you switch on this button, otherwise this workflow is not going to run in real time. Apart from this, I'll just let you know that this discount coupon code is just for you, so you can use this to purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect and generate the images like this within seconds and in real time. Now you don't have to go back and again to your workflow to click on save and send test request. Instantly the images for you will be generated and added right over here. So go and try this amazing automation yourself, and while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For a reference, I'll just attach the workflow URL of this workflow in the description box below. You can check it out. Till then, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more automation tips and tutorials like this. See you in the next video. If you like the video, do hit the like button. Thank you for watching.
So not only this, but you can connect many more applications using Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubts related to pricing, you can follow this link. If you have any doubts or queries related to sales, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. Both this link and this email address is attached in the description box below. You can check it out. I'll suggest you connect and integrate your favorite applications today, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.